Alright guys, pretty much I got the engine in, and thanks to my brother Lavi to assist me, and one of my uncle helped me to guide the engine mount. Only thing tomorrow I need to do is just install my exhaust. Hopefully tomorrow I'll start it up. Yeah, beautiful, really nice. Alright guys, welcome back to JSO Films, and updating my Supra, the 7M engine. Well, trying to crank, all of a sudden it leaks coolant on the side of the block timing cover. I swapped out a new water pump, and it didn't solve the issue, so it was on the timing block cover. So I had to pull this. I had to remove the whole cover out. You'll need to remove the head out in order for you to remove the timing block cover. The coolant was leaking. It went through the gasket somewhere around here, but it's on the gasket right where the front naked block. Just want to give a shout out to my dad and my uncle Tony. Helped me to install the head. Yeah, shout out to Jeffrey for giving me the heater hose from the head. Mine was all cracked. Pretty much, it's almost done. Just need to do a couple of things. Just redid my wire, my engine harness. Looks pretty fresh. Yep, almost there. It's been a year right now. Can't wait to drive it. Alright guys, I put everything back on. I'm going to start up right now. Woo! Hear that, guys? Dies again. Oh. So pretty much I already reset the timing from the cam position sensor and the block, the crank pulley and the camshaft. So it all comes to, yeah, all comes to the airflow mass sensor. All right.
You ready?
Yep.
Idling?
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, guys. I felt like I just won a $1 million, you know, a lottery. right, guys. 7M power!